guys, today we're going to be doing a cool little craft. So this is not really a quick little video, but it is a cool craft. The video might be quick though. So today we're going to have a quick little video all about how I'm going to decorate my mantle. And I have some cool wallpaper. This is it. This is new wallpaper, and I got this off of Amazon. You can buy it in a lot of different places, but I just got it off Amazon because this had the pattern that I wanted at the cheapest price I could find. So I did that, and I'm hoping I have enough. I didn't measure it because I'm an idiot and I didn't feel like it. So I have 2 of these just in case. And we're just going to be doing the back mantle wall, fireplace wall, I guess, just to see this pattern, and I hope it looks good, and I guess let's just see if I can do it. The things you will need for this project are the wallpaper level, a wallpaper thing, a pencil, a measuring tape, and a scalpel thing. This is a peel and stick wallpaper, so there's no glue or anything involved, and if I just hate it, I can just peel it off, or if I make a mistake, I don't have to be as careful about it or whatever, so that's why we got this kind. And you'll probably need a step stool. I'm going to need one because I'm not that tall. So let's get started.